Section 11, surface maintenance, painting and lettering. Equipment will be painted without all time to prevent rusting, deterioration, letter, and number will be clear, legible, personal, and clear concern for repaint, re-stencil if necessary to accomplish this result. The original standard of the Army Corps method of stenciling on any of the car will not be changed, altered unless the authorized by the Chief of the Transportation Zone with the interior of the Railway Grand Division, the headquarters of the leader of operation information, color paint inside of the location of the letter. Numbers maintained authorized under the source of the L paint with the letters material will conform with the application after the War Department specification schedule with the drying time of the before any of the primers applied. Surface will be cleaned thoroughly free with the oil, grease, and scale of the rust and welded spatter. Process painting with the car with include with the preparation surface of the painting with as well with the application of the several paint coats. Considerable proportion of the painting may be done with the various parts of the cars, but will be replaced in some of the contact surface of wood sheeting, steel framing, so-called single sheathed house car with and composite gondolas and similar open-top cars will be painted to prevent weathering and corrosion. The heavy coating with the priming paint will be applied with the wood surface. If steel surface with the new material, it will be cleaned with a metal scale covered either with the same priming paint, either the wood or a special primer with the steel surfaces. See if the steel surface is not material, it will be scrapped clean with the oil brush with the steel with the brush and the sandblast with the tree with the primary coat with the coated contact surface with the metal joints will prepare with the treated during the assembly of the car. After cleaning with the coating of the red with some of the approved joint cement with applied with the contact surface, the cement will be suitable for the process even of securing the parts in place. This is riveting of the welding, if desired, with the primary of the match edge of the wooding, sheeting before applying with the paint, can be done with the hand, with the spraying with the material with the plow without spaces between the separate boards. 3. During the painting of the car, they will protect with the weather, the retaining valve with the air hose will cover the surface of the will, but not paint with the show with evidence of moisture. Minimum protection shed located with the line with the outgoing with the track of the repair shop of the shed will provide with the over the tracks the sign with the color car painting crossover will be placed on the tracks in space between the repair shop paint shed so that the car can be moved from any of the shop tracks to one of the paint shed track with the sandblasted shed if used and may be located in the same area. Chapter 5, Hospitals, Cars. Chapter 5, Hospital Cars.